What is a prima facie case for age discrimination? Imagine you're working hard, meeting all your job expectations, and suddenly you're passed over for a promotion or even let go. You might wonder if your age played a part. That's where understanding what makes up a prima facie case for age discrimination comes in. A prima facie case is like laying a foundation in a building. It's the initial set of facts you need to show that discrimination probably happened. If you can do this, it shifts the burden to your employer to explain their side. They have to give a legitimate reason for their decision that isn't about your age. To start, you need to be at least 40 years old. This is because the Age Discrimination in Employment Act protects workers aged 40 and older. Next, you must show that you suffered a negative employment action. This could be being fired, demoted, not promoted, or having your pay cut. Basically, anything that harms your job status counts. Then, you need to prove you were qualified for the job or benefit you lost. This means you met the employer's expectations or standards for the role. If you had the skills, experience, and performance to do the job, that's important. Finally, you need to show that someone younger was treated better or that you were replaced by a younger worker. If you were replaced by someone significantly younger, or if younger employees received more favorable treatment under similar circumstances, this supports your claim. Sometimes, direct evidence like age-specific comments or policies is rare. So courts often look at circumstantial evidence. For example, if your employer suddenly started making age-related jokes or if they replaced you with a much younger person, these clues can support your case. Once you establish this initial case, the employer must then give a non-discriminatory reason for their action. If they do, you can try to show that their reason is just a cover-up for age bias. Gathering evidence is key. Keep records of your age, your qualifications, and how others in similar roles were treated. Look at employment records, performance reviews, and talk to witnesses if possible. Knowing what makes a prima facie case helps you understand your rights and what to look for if you believe age discrimination has occurred. It's the first step in making sure unfair treatment based on age doesn't go unnoticed or unchallenged.